Oh shit! Bruh. Welcome back to the Roundtable, man. It's your boy Von X, Smart and Complete Gamer, man. Today we got a game called the Microwave Paradox, man. Sound like something straight out of SCP, man, but here we go. Go. Welcome to the Microwave Paradox. Oh God. Ah man. A very big microwave producing company provided you the super microwave for testing purposes. Now you're going to test the microwave for different types of food. So just a second. Fuck, okay, shit.
Hello. Thanks for agreement to participate in our super microwave testing.
Yeah.
We hope you will get the best experience with your super microwave. In order to get better experience, we recommend you to watch the video tutorial, which will teach you how to use the microwave, provided by our company.
Sure enough, buddy.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use your new super microwave. First of all, open your super microwave's door and put your food into the super microwave.
No shit.
Then close the door and wait a little. Next, when the super microwave doing its job, you can inject the food and enjoy. Please, pay attention. You should use microwave only to work with food. It is highly restricted to put any other objects into the microwave.
What? What? Okay, cool. Alright, well. Oh, shit. Okay. And the door opens automatically. Okay. Cool. Yeah, let's put some donuts in there. This is some creepy shit, man. Oh, we got some boxes. Can you move these? Yes, you can. Oh, and another tape. Donut, I will be right with you. Just give me a second. Just give me a second.
The super microwave can become your best friend. It can help you to make your food better. It can even watch a movie with you. You have absolutely no reason to not to trust your microwave. Attention, microwaves cannot talk. If your microwave started to talk with you, then follow next step.
What?
First, make sure there is nobody hidden inside the microwave, because microwaves don't talk itself. Second, try to isolate yourself from the super microwave. It is better to lock all your house doors and put the super microwave outside. Don't worry, your life is safe now. And finally, try not to talk and interact with microwave. Some aspects of the effect of microwaves on humans are not yet fully understood.
What? Bro, this reminds me of some SCP shit. I swear, you know, this is a SCP microwave or something like that. Like, okay, so what if I put another donut in there? What the fuck is that? You, shut it. Oh, I got a washroom and he got a blunt wrapper right here. Cool. I seen that shit, man. You know what? Just cause you was looking, cause I had this shit in my hand, I'm finna put this shit up in there. Come here. Come here. Come here. Damn. Did I like drop this on a... Okay. Ugh. Thank you. So I don't really understand what's really going on. Am I just putting random shit in here and waiting for random shit to happen? I think that's pretty much what I'm doing here. So again, there's nothing in the bathroom besides that. Can I use my plant? Alright, I already turned off the radio. There's nothing else for the TV. The door is immovable. Can I put the beer in there? Is this beer or is this soda? I'm just not sure what the hell I'm supposed to be. Well, I'm sure it's just trial and error. You put enough shit in there and then all of a sudden it'll just... Okay. Fuck, bro, I don't know what to... What the fuck?
You have broken the microwave, which our company provided to you.
How did you know that?
Purposes. You are a pathetic and worthless person.
Bitch!
You don't deserve to own our super microwave. Our sales manager will now come to your house and take your life as a fine.
Oh, hell no. Can I exit? Ah, shit. Ah, shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Nah. Nope. 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 Nope, 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 nope. Oh, shit! Ah! Bro, I already know you... Okay. That was the microwave paradox. I was missing a lot of meat to the sandwich. You feel me? I feel like... See you in the next one, man.